guys, welcome back to another video, and if you are new here, so welcome to my channel. And in this video you're definitely here to learn how to solve a Rubik's Cube. So guys, let's get started.
Easy boy, your smile makes me happy. Many people like to solve a Rubik's Cube and they have different reasons. Some of the reasons are that some people want to show their friends, something that it will make them smarter, something that the finger coordination will get better, and etc. I also had one of these reasons, and my best time is 56.05 seconds, and today I'm going to teach you how to solve the Rubik's Cube in under 2 minutes, and with practice you can get faster. So follow me along to be the best cuber. So guys, over here we have our cube, and if you look at the cube, it has 6 different sides, and 6 different sides means 6 different colors, which are white, orange, yellow, red, blue and green. Now if you look at the opposite colors, we need to even memorize the opposite color, and I'll tell you what are the opposite colors. Opposite to white is yellow, opposite to green is blue, opposite to red is orange. Now if you look at the centerpieces, they will never move. No matter how much you scramble them, they will stay on their own place. And the centerpieces tell us that what is the face's color or the side's colors. Means if you look at this orange center tell us that all the orange colors should belong around it. Now let's give it a short scramble. Now if we look at the centerpieces, they are on their own places, and they are on the places which they were before. Now if you look at white, opposite to white there is still yellow, opposite to blue is still green, and opposite to orange is still red, which means that the centerpieces will never move until unless you take out the cap and switch it with the other piece. So yeah, that's cheating. So actually, what is our achievement? Our achievement is that all the colors should belong to their own face, and the results will be like this. Now how to achieve this? We will learn this in the next video.
So guys, that was it for our today's video. I hope you enjoyed this video, and part 2 is here. This is a random video, and over here is a whole playlist, and see you in the next video.